Hi, I'm Ashley. I'm going to be helping you with the Moon Craters activity.
To begin, start by putting on your safety goggles and ask participants to use safety goggles as well. This will help protect your eyes from detergent in the sand mixture, in addition to the UV light we'll be using later on in the activity. Pour your sand and detergent mixture into your pie pan. All you need is about 1.5 to 2 inches deep of sand mixture. You can give the pie tin a little shake so it settles out flat, and then you can sprinkle a light layer of iron filings on top. You can sprinkle the iron filings in different patterns or in different ways to get different effects for your participants in the activity. Now that your activity is ready to go, you can have participants drop marbles of different sizes from varying heights. Ask them what they notice about their craters, if the marbles are bigger versus smaller, or drop from higher up or lower down. You can use the UV flashlight to notice how the detergent spreads differently or similarly to the iron filings or sand. Remove the marbles from the tin and give the sand mixture a light shake to settle it out. You can reset the activity by just adding another layer of iron filings on top. You can also have participants drop varying sizes of rocks from varying heights. Ask them what they notice is different or the same from the marbles to the rocks that they dropped. After a few groups, you might want to reset the iron filings. You can use your magnet to get the iron filings out of the sand mixture and then put them back into their container. You don't need to do this in between every group, but after a busy day of doing this activity, you might find that the sand mixture gets a little muddled with all the iron filings. To reset the activity, give the tray a shake and add more iron filings on top, and you're ready for your next group.